Welcome to Learn English. Enjoy easy lessons, vocabulary, and grammar, and speak English with confidence. Subscribe and start your English journey today.
Hello, everyone.
Welcome to our English podcast.
We are happy you're here today.
Thank you for listening.
Today, we have a simple question.
Yes, how can we live a better life?
That is a great question.
Everyone wants a happy and better life.
The good news is that a better life starts with small steps.
You do not need to change everything today.
One small change can make a big difference.
Let's learn together.
First, what does a better life mean to you?
For me, a better life means being healthy and happy.
That is a wonderful answer.
What about you?
A better life means learning every day.
I like that.
It also means spending time with people we love.
Family and friends are very important.
Yes, they are.
We will talk about them later.
Let's begin with daily habits.
Good habits help us every day.
Small habits are powerful.
They are easy to start.
They're also easy to keep.
What is your first habit in the morning?
I wake up early.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock.
That is early.
I like quiet mornings.
Mornings feel fresh.
Yes, they do.
What do you do after you wake up?
First, I make my bed.
That is a good habit.
It only takes a few minutes.
But it makes your room look clean.
A clean room helps me feel calm.
I feel the same way.
What do you do next?
I drink a glass of water.
That is healthy.
Our bodies need water after sleep.
I also drink water every morning.
Then what do you do?
I open the window.
Why?
I like the fresh air.
Fresh air feels wonderful.
I take a deep breath.
That helps you feel relaxed.
Yes, it does.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do.
What kind of exercise do you do?
I do some simple stretching.
Stretching is good for your body.
Then I go for a short walk.
Walking gives us energy.
It also helps us feel happy.
Exercise is good for our body and our mind.
You do not need a long workout.
Even 10 minutes is helpful.
Small steps make a big difference.
I completely agree.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat fruit and bread.
That sounds healthy.
Sometimes I eat eggs too.
Eggs are a good breakfast.
What do you eat?
I eat oatmeal and a banana.
That sounds delicious.
A healthy breakfast gives us energy.
It helps us start the day well.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I usually drink tea.
I enjoy coffee.
Both are nice.
The important thing is to enjoy the moment.
I like to sit quietly while I drink my tea.
That sounds peaceful.
It helps me prepare for the day.
After breakfast, what do you do?
I look at my daily plan.
You make a daily plan?
Yes, it helps me stay organized.
What do you write?
I write 3 important things.
Only 3?
Yes, 3 is easy to remember.
That is a smart idea.
When I finish one task, I feel happy.
Small success gives us confidence.
Yes, it does.
I also write my goals.
Are they big goals?
No, they are small daily goals.
Can you give an example?
Read 10 pages.
That is simple.
Learn 5 new English words.
That is a great habit.
Practice speaking English for 15 minutes.
Every day?
Yes, every day.
Small daily practice brings big results.
Exactly.
Do you check your phone when you wake up?
No, I don't.
Why not?
I want a quiet morning.
That is a good choice.
I like to start my day slowly.
A peaceful morning can help the whole day.
I believe that too.
Do you listen to music in the morning?
Sometimes I do.
What kind of music?
Soft and relaxing music.
I enjoy happy songs.
Music can change our mood.
Yes, it helps us feel positive.
Another good habit is reading.
Even a few pages every morning can help.
Reading teaches us new ideas.
It also teaches us new English words.
Learning every day is part of a better life.
We do not have to learn a lot every day.
We only need to keep learning.
One new word is better than no new words.
One good habit is better than no good habits.
One kind action is better than no kind action.
A better life begins with small choices.
Small choices become good habits.
Good habits become a better lifestyle.
And a better lifestyle helps us become happier.
In the next part, we will talk about positive thinking, family, friends, and kindness.
We can't wait to continue this conversation with you.
Thank you for listening.
See you in part 2.
In part 1, we talked about daily habits and a healthy morning routine.
Today, let's talk about positive thinking.
What does positive thinking mean?
It means looking for the good in life.
Does that mean life is always easy?
No, not at all.
Everyone has difficult days,
Everyone has problems.
but we can choose how we think.
We can stay calm.
We can keep hope.
We can believe that tomorrow can be better.
I like that idea.
Me too.
What do you do when you have a bad day?
First, I take a deep breath.
That is a good start.
Then I remind myself that every problem has a solution.
That helps you stay positive.
Yes, it does.
I also like to go for a short walk.
Walking helps clear the mind.
Fresh air makes me feel better.
Nature is a wonderful place to relax.
I enjoy looking at the trees.
I enjoy listening to the birds.
Small moments can change our mood.
They remind us that life is beautiful.
Sometimes we worry too much,
Yes, we think about many things.
but worrying does not solve the problem.
Taking action is better than worrying.
Even one small step is helpful.
Small steps give us confidence.
Positive thinking also means speaking kindly to yourself.
That is very important.
Instead of saying, I can't do it.
Say, I will keep trying.
Instead of saying, I always fail.
Say, I am learning.
Those words feel much better.
Yes, our words are powerful.
Now let's talk about family.
Family is one of the greatest gifts in life.
Every family is different.
But love is important in every family.
Do you enjoy spending time with your family?
Yes, I do.
What do you like to do together?
We have dinner together every evening.
That sounds wonderful.
We talk about our day.
What do you usually share?
I tell my family what I learned.
That is a nice habit.
They also share their stories.
Talking brings families closer.
Listening is also important.
A good listener shows love.
Yes, listening is a kind gift.
Do you help your family at home?
Yes, every day.
What do you do?
I clean my room.
That's helpful.
I also wash the dishes.
Your family must appreciate that.
I hope so.
Helping at home shows respect.
Small actions show big love.
Now let's talk about friends.
Friends make life more enjoyable.
What makes a good friend?
A good friend is honest.
A good friend is kind.
A good friend listens.
A good friend helps when we need support
A good friend celebrates our success.
and stays with us during difficult times.
That is true friendship.
Do you have many friends?
I have a few close friends.
That is enough.
Quality is more important than quantity.
I agree.
We laugh together.
We learn together.
We encourage each other.
Encouragement is important.
Sometimes one kind sentence changes someone's day.
Have you ever helped a friend?
Yes, many times.
How did you help?
I listened when my friend felt sad.
Sometimes listening is the best help.
We do not always need to give advice.
We only need to care.
Kindness is simple.
Let's talk more about kindness.
Kindness makes the world brighter.
You do not need money to be kind.
A smile is kind.
Saying good morning is kind.
Saying thank you is kind.
Saying please is kind.
Holding the door for someone is kind.
Helping an older person is kind.
Sharing with others is kind.
Speaking politely is kind.
Respecting other people is kind.
Kindness can be very small.
But it can make a big difference.
Have you ever received kindness from a stranger?
Yes, I have.
What happened?
One day I dropped my bag.
Oh no.
A kind person helped me pick up my things.
That was very thoughtful.
I smiled and said thank you.
Kindness often creates more kindness.
One kind action inspires another.
Imagine if everyone did one kind thing every day.
The world would be a happier place.
I believe that.
Me too.
Before we finish this part, let's remember today's ideas.
Think positively.
Spend time with your family.
Be a good friend.
Help other people.
Speak with kindness.
Smile often.
Listen carefully.
Be thankful for the people in your life.
These simple actions help us live a better life.
In Part 3, we will talk about learning, health, goals, and time management.
Thank you for listening.
Keep learning English every day.
See you in Part 3.
In Part 2, we talked about positive thinking, family, friends, and kindness.
Today, let's talk about learning.
Learning is an important part of life.
We can learn something new every day.
Do you enjoy learning?
Yes, I do.
What do you like to learn?
I like learning English
Why do you like learning English?
because English helps me talk to more people.
That is a great reason.
It also helps me understand books and videos.
Learning opens new doors.
Every new word is a small success.
How many new words do you learn each day?
I try to learn 5 new words.
That is a wonderful habit.
I also review old words
Why is that important?
because practice helps me remember.
I agree.
Reading is another good way to learn.
Even 10 minutes of reading is helpful.
Small daily practice becomes a big habit.
Do you read every day?
Yes, I usually read before bed.
What do you like to read?
Easy English stories.
That is perfect for beginners.
They help me understand new sentences.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, I do.
Do they help?
Yes, I learn new words and better pronunciation.
Listening is an important skill.
Speaking is important too.
We should practice both every day.
Even a few minutes can help.
Learning is not a race.
Everyone learns at a different speed.
The important thing is to keep learning.
Never stop being curious.
Now let's talk about health.
Good health helps us enjoy life.
A healthy body gives us energy.
A healthy mind helps us think clearly.
What do you do to stay healthy?
I drink plenty of water.
That is a great habit.
I also eat fruits every day.
Fruits are good for our body.
I like apples and bananas.
I enjoy oranges and grapes.
Vegetables are important too.
Yes, they are.
What about exercise?
I walk every morning.
How long do you walk?
About 20 minutes.
That sounds healthy.
Walking helps me feel fresh.
I enjoy riding my bicycle.
That is another good exercise.
Exercise makes us stronger.
It also helps us sleep well.
Good sleep is very important.
How many hours do you sleep?
I try to sleep for 8 hours.
That is a good goal.
When I sleep well, I feel happy.
Me too.
Rest gives us energy for a new day.
Let's talk about goals.
Everyone should have a goal.
Goals give us direction.
They help us stay focused.
Do you have a goal this month?
Yes,
What is it?
I want to finish 1 English book.
That is a wonderful goal.
What is your goal?
I want to speak English every day.
That is a smart goal.
Big goals can feel difficult.
So we can break them into small steps.
Small steps are easier.
They also help us stay motivated.
Every completed step gives us confidence.
Celebrate every small success.
Now let's talk about time management.
Time is one of our greatest gifts.
We all have the same 24 hours.
The difference is how we use them.
Do you make a daily plan?
Yes, every morning.
What do you write first?
My 3 most important tasks.
That keeps your day simple.
Yes, it helps me stay focused.
Do you finish all your tasks every day?
Not always.
Is that okay?
Yes, I simply continue tomorrow.
That is a healthy way to think.
We do not have to be perfect.
We only need to keep improving.
Do you waste time sometimes?
Yes, everyone does.
What do you do then?
I gently remind myself to return to my work.
That is a good habit.
I also take short breaks.
Why are breaks important?
They help my mind rest.
After a short break, we can focus again.
Balance is important.
Work is important.
Rest is important too.
Learning, health, and rest all work together.
A better life is about balance.
Not about doing everything at once.
Learn a little.
Exercise a little.
Read a little.
Practice English a little.
Spend time with your family.
Spend time with your friends.
Take care of your body.
Take care of your mind.
Keep your goals simple.
Keep your heart positive.
Keep moving forward.
One day at a time.
One habit at a time.
One goal at a time.
One smile at a time.
Every small step brings you closer to a better life.
In our final part, we will talk about confidence, gratitude, living simply, and staying motivated every day.
Thank you for listening.
Keep learning English.
See you in part 4.
Welcome back to the final part of our podcast.
Thank you for staying with us.
Today, we have learned many ways to live a better life.
We talked about good habits, positive thinking, learning, health, and goals.
Now, let's talk about confidence.
Confidence is believing in yourself.
Do you always feel confident?
No, I don't.
Me neither.
Sometimes I feel nervous.
That is normal.
Everyone feels nervous sometimes.
What do you do when you feel nervous?
I take a deep breath.
That is a good idea.
Then I tell myself I can learn.
I like those words.
They remind me not to give up.
I also remember my small successes
Why is that helpful?
because they remind me that I am improving.
Every small success gives us confidence.
Every new English word is progress.
Every conversation is progress.
Every lesson makes us stronger.
We do not need to be perfect.
We only need to keep trying,
Confidence grows little by little.
just like a tree.
It grows every day.
Now let's talk about gratitude.
Gratitude means being thankful.
There are many things to be thankful for.
Family,
Friends,
good health,
a safe home,
clean water,
healthy food,
a beautiful sunrise,
fresh air,
a kind smile,
a good book.
a new day.
Sometimes we forget these simple gifts,
We are often too busy.
but when we stop and look around,
We can see many good things.
what are you thankful for today?
I am thankful for my family.
That is wonderful.
I am thankful for my friends.
I am thankful for the chance to learn.
Learning is a wonderful gift.
It helps us grow every day.
Gratitude makes our hearts happy.
Now let's talk about living a simple life.
A simple life can be a happy life.
We do not need everything.
We only need what is important.
Time with family is important.
Good friends are important.
Good health is important.
Peace of mind is important.
Sometimes we think happiness comes from buying more things,
But happiness often comes from simple moments.
sharing a meal together,
Watching the sunset,
walking in the park,
listening to birds sing,
reading a good book,
drinking a warm cup of tea,
laughing with friends.
helping another person.
These moments are small.
But they become beautiful memories.
Let's talk about motivation.
Motivation helps us keep going.
But motivation is not always strong.
That is true.
Some days we feel excited.
Some days we feel tired.
What should we do on those days?
We should still take one small step.
Even 5 minutes of practice is good.
Even one page of reading is good.
Even one new English word is good.
Small actions become big habits.
Big habits create big results.
Never wait for the perfect day.
Start today.
Start with what you have.
Use what you know.
Learn something new tomorrow.
Keep moving forward.
One step every day.
Do not compare yourself with other people.
Compare yourself with yesterday.
Ask yourself one question.
Am I improving?
If the answer is yes,
You are already moving forward.
that is something to celebrate.
Be proud of your progress.
Even small progress is important.
Every small success builds a better future.
Before we finish, let's remember today's lesson.
A better life begins with small choices.
Wake up with a positive mind.
Take care of your health.
Keep learning every day.
Spend time with people you love.
Be kind to others.
Be kind to yourself.
Believe in yourself.
Never stop trying.
Enjoy simple moments.
Be thankful every day.
Smile often.
Help other people.
Keep your dreams alive.
Keep your heart full of hope.
Remember, you do not have to change your whole life today.
One small habit can change tomorrow.
One kind word can change someone's day.
One good decision can change your future.
We believe in you.
You can build a better life.
One day at a time.
One step at a time.
One smile at a time.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation.
We hope you learned some new English.
Listen to this episode again.
Repeating English helps you remember more.
Practice speaking every day.
Practice listening every day.
Practice reading every day.
Practice with confidence.
Keep learning.
Keep growing.
Keep smiling.
And keep living a better life.
Thank you for listening.
We will see you in our next episode.
Until next time, take care of yourself.
Keep believing in your dreams.
Goodbye, everyone.
Have a happy, healthy, and wonderful day.
See you soon.
Goodbye.